That is looking good. Okay, this here is the Billy Bob, and we're gonna get this out and do a little cooking tonight, but I'm gonna show you what we have here. All right, so we have a couple different pieces. This is a little arm we'll put on here in a minute. This is the grill that goes with it. A little accessory grill that I have. Show you how that works. And my trusty griddle. All right, so we're gonna set that griddle off to the side here. I'll put this bag down. All right, so basically how this works is I've got this very robust steak, I don't know, 5/8, 3/4 inch, something like that. You drive that into the ground, and then this goes over the steak like that, and kind of gravity just holds it on. You can lift it, pull it up and down if you want to change the height on the grill. And but just the way it's designed, the way this metal is bent, and again, this is very, very sturdy. And there's a gentleman, I'm not exactly sure where he was located. Billy Bob is the name of it, and my wife got this as a gift for me a while back, and I tell you, we use it all the time out here at the camp. It's a great little tool to have. I don't think you'd want to backpack it with it or anything like that, but anyways, so you put that on there just like that. And then I had a extra piece of grill laying around. I don't even know where I got this, probably off an old grill or something. But I put that on there, and it does a couple different things. It gives me a little bit more surface area, but I can move this if, you know, if I'm cooking something and you got a hot spot in the fire, or you want to set something off to the side, let it simmer a little bit, I can move that around a little bit. And then also if I flip it over, it's kind of got these little ridges here because of the way it's welded, and that keeps things from sliding off if you have a pod on there or something like that. So this works out good. I can go either way with it. I can go vertically or horizontally, but anyways, and then this is a little accessory, same principle, just goes right on there, and then it's got a hook on the end. If you have a Dutch oven, which I do, with a bail on it, you can suspend that over the fire, or a coffee pot or whatever. So nice little additional tool to have with it. And then I picked this up a little while back, a little griddle. So we are going to do some cooking tonight on this thing, and I've got my iron skillet out here, and so yeah, I think feasibly we can cook on the iron skillet and the griddle at the same time. So yeah, this is going to be fun, and stay tuned. I got the bacon wrap fillets, some naan bread, peppers, garlic, eggplant, onions.